Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to on battery show percentage guys. In your phone guys, you cannot see your battery percent guys, how much battery guys you have in your phone guys. How can you on this setting and guys, then guys you can check your battery percentage on your screen. So you want to on guys this battery show percentage, so guys you can on it. And guys in this video guys, I will show you how to on. So well, let's see how to on battery show percentage. First of all guys, open your phone setting. Then guys click on battery setting, scroll it, and guys battery percentage show. So I show battery percentage in status bar. So guys now you can see your battery percentage is showing. So as you can check your battery percent in your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on battery percentage. So that's it guys, thanks for watching a video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like me to subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.